Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I have the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely Land Rover Discovery. Now this is a 2020 on a 20 plate, finished in Byron Blue metallic, which is one of the best colours for these cars. Car itself has a full exterior black package, so your Discovery lettering on the bonnet, your lower grills, side mouldings, mirror caps, you've got privacy glass. This one's got the option of roof bars, which are obviously blacked as well. It looks a very lovely car. Now we've got front and rear parking sensors. We've got full 360 cameras on this one as well. We're riding on the lovely 22-inch 5 twin spoke alloy wheels. They're finished in gloss black. Then we've got the side steps on this one. Condition wise, a stunning car. So looking down the side of the vehicle, no signs of any dents, no scratches, no scrapes. Looking at the actual down the door edges, looking at the mirror caps, you can tell they're all as should be. Now coming through to the back, we've got a detachable tow bar on this, so you can take that off. We've got the pin electrics under there as well. Clamshell tailgate, so press the button. We've got the HSE badging, reversing camera, and then looking into the boot, this is a 7-seater. So we've got the 7 seats in the back. Seats are all electrically operated, so you can press the button for absolutely everything. That folds down. If we press the button for the middle seats, headrests will fold down and then elegantly glide down. The middle row then will move forward slightly and then move themselves back again. As you can tell, they look like it's never been used. All the boot is in absolutely fantastic order. All the carpets are superb. We do have the parcel shelf as well. I've just taken it out for demonstration purposes. Then looking down the passenger side, again, condition, bodywork, looking at all the wheels, all 4 alloys, absolutely superb. Tyres, very nice and chunky. Then coming through to the interior, inside is a full ebony black leather sports seat. Part perforated, contrasting white piping. Now this seat is 3-way memory, so absolutely ideal if you're looking to share this car with a partner. So you can set yourself up as driver 1, your partner can be driver 2, press the button and it will fully electrically operate the seat, the steering wheel and the mirrors to exactly the way that you want it. Now this car has blind spot monitoring and auto dimming as well. Heated front seats and heated rear seats. So just before I jump in, I'll show you the actual condition, because again, there's no rips, there's no stains, it's all superb. We've got all the electrics on both sides. And then jumping inside, you've got heated rear seats, rear storage, you've got phone chargers, 2 USBs, you get the full benefit of the sunroof. And then looking into the cabin, fit and finish is fantastic. So we've got leather on the dashboard, bright silver detailing, lots of gloss black detailing all throughout the car as well. And then jumping inside, we've got then heated steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter, lane departure warning, automatic lights, automatic wipers, full head-up display on this one as well, or virtual cockpit I should say, so you can control most things through here. So you've got your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, you've got your driving assistance, so driving condition monitor, parking notifications, and display as well. So if you want your satellite navigation to run through there, you can do. But as we're doing the video, this vehicle's only covered 35,437 miles, which is absolutely nothing to one of these. Coming through to the center, we've got reversing camera, as I mentioned. We've got then self-parking, so the car will park itself. You've got searching for parking spaces. If we press through to camera again, you'll find, I'll close my door, rear Doors open. So there you go, both doors closed. You've got a bird's eye view of the car. Clicking back through. Satellite navigation, very responsive, very easy to use. We've got a media, Bluetooth phone, obviously full phone connectivity, so Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. You've got web browser, so it uses the mobile data off your phone to search things through the car. Voice command, Bluetooth phone, everything that you'd expect on a vehicle of this caliber. Dual zone climate control, heated front screen. Now we've got loads and loads of storage on this car. So we've got storage behind the vents, got storage at the top there, we've got storage under there, obviously central cup holders with more storage, and then in the center a nice feature is the cool box. So put your water in there, put your sandwiches in there. If you're going for a nice long journey, keeps them nice and cool. And then you've got a bit of storage as well. Obviously air suspension, so you can adjust the suspension the way you want. So it's in normal at the moment. If you're on the motorway, it'll lower itself just for fuel efficiency, less drag. If you're going off-road, it'll heighten itself. Obviously you've got grass, gravel, snow, sand, all-terrain, rock climbing, hill descent. It's got absolutely everything that you'd expect. And then inside, it doesn't smell, so it's not been smoked in. There's no pets. You can tell it's just been a very careful owner. So if you'd like anything further on this car, if it's finance that you're after, we've got some fantastic hire purchase and PCP options. If you've got a part exchange, give us a call, send us an email. Our phone number 01942 231 123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. But thank you for watching, and we look forward to your inquiry.